how to use this instant ink. So when you get the ink, you open the lid, you will find that this is just a block of ink, a dry one. So what you need to do is dip your pen in some water. On the ink block. Before you start to write, or before you start to practice, just try it to see if the color is right. The paper I'm using is the special practicing rice paper just for Chinese calligraphy. It's really convenient. What you need to do is just keep dipping your brush in the water and keep a couple strokes on the ink. Then right. You don't really waste any ink if you like traditional ink. If you can't finish it, either you just dip it in so in this way you won't waste any ink. For example, if you use traditional ink after you're practicing or write your calligraphy work, you can't finish it, you have to pour it into the sink. But this way you can just leave it and close the lid, and next time you open it, just add some water, then you are okay to write.